In today's competitive environment, the margin between success and failure is small. Planning is essential to turn your market opportunities into business advantages. With Enovia, plan your definition of success. Whether your success is defined by empowering an athlete to reach their goal, a team to beat all odds, a community to thrive, or a person to walk on a distant planet. Rethink what's possible. Enovia on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform enables you to model your business and develop a product innovation pipeline to capitalize on emerging business opportunities. Confidently plan, develop, and release innovative products that strengthen your competitive advantage. Efficiently collaborate across disciplines and around the globe to deliver product experiences that exceed customer expectations. Maintain organizational alignment by digitally connecting the value network. Increase visibility, raise productivity, and speed time to market. Join our more than 15,000 customers of every size and industry and plan your definition of success.